Everybody, welcome. Hopefully this will be really quick. I've seen some people recently asking me how to organize their Google Jams because they kind of just show up all over the place if you go to jamboard.google.com, and then in your Google Drive, they're just wherever. So I'm going to show you what I'd recommend you do. If I'm on jamboard.google.com right now, and I just scrolled down a little bit and I found this conjugation Sudoku puzzle, which I just clicked on. I didn't mean to, but so I want this one right here. That conjugation Sudoku is not organized anywhere. So what I'm going to do is go to my drive and search for that. Now, when you search for something in Google Drive, you'll notice that it comes up with a lot of times what you're looking for. Don't click it because that'll just open up that jam, and I don't want to do that right now. I want to just click enter and actually search for it. So you can come up with a list of the items right here. So I want this first one right here, not the copies of it. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to right click right there. And then I'm going to click on move to. And then I just want to find the location where I want to keep that jam. So this one happens to go into my Spanish 2 folder. Geez, so much stuff in here. Okay, so I want to put it in here in lesson 7. And I'm going to click move. Move. And that's it. So now that, let's make sure it's there really quick. Lesson 7. Right there. There it is. So it's now there. So I have it in the future when I come back in here and I'm planning for lesson 7 activities. Oh, there's my conjugation Sudoku puzzle. I don't have to go searching for it. Anyway, that's my recommendation. If you have a different idea, maybe drop that in the comment sections and share those ideas with anybody else that might be watching this video. Thanks for stopping by. See you guys in the next one. Adios.